Today let's talk about intravascular imaging guided percutaneous coronary intervention for acute myocardial infarction, according to American College of Cardiology or American Heart Association lesion classification. Despite the favorable prognosis associated with intravascular imaging guided percutaneous coronary intervention for complex coronary lesions, it is still unclear whether intravascular imaging guided percutaneous coronary intervention for such lesions provides clinical benefit in patients with acute myocardial infarction, according to the American College of Cardiology or American Heart Association lesion classification. Coming to methods, this study was a patient-level, pooled analysis of two nationwide Korean acute myocardial infarction registries. We identified 23,051 patients from KAMI-RV and KAMI-NIH who underwent successful percutaneous coronary intervention for an infarct-related artery and stratified them by the American College of Cardiology or American Heart Association lesion classification. Clinical outcomes were compared between intravascular imaging-guided and angiography-guided percutaneous coronary intervention. The primary endpoint was major adverse cardiac events, a composite of cardiac death, acute myocardial infarction, repeat revascularization, and stent thrombosis at 3 years. Coming to results, intravascular imaging-guided percutaneous coronary intervention demonstrated a lower incidence of major adverse cardiac events compared with angiography-guided percutaneous coronary intervention in patients with type B2 or type C lesions, but not in patients with type A or type B1 lesions. In both non-ST segment elevation myocardial infarction and ST segment elevation myocardial infarction, a significantly lower risk of major adverse cardiac events following intravascular imaging-guided percutaneous coronary intervention than angiography-guided percutaneous coronary intervention was observed in patients with type B2 or type C lesions, but not in those with type A or type B1 lesions. In conclusions, among patients with acute myocardial infarction, intravascular imaging-guided percutaneous coronary intervention was associated with a significantly lower risk of major adverse cardiac events in those with type B2 or type C lesions, but not in those with type A or type B1 lesions. The prognostic benefit of intravascular imaging-guided percutaneous coronary intervention increased with greater lesion complexity in the infarct-related artery.